Hi everybody, let's talk about how to fix Kayak price comparison error. So let me tell you guys, a price comparison error on Kayak usually occurs when a cached, outdated fare is displayed in the initial search results but disappears or increases when you click or tap through to book. Because Kayak is a search aggregator, it does not finalize the booking or control live airline inventory. So to fix or bypass the error, you can start by checking the direct airline websites. Instead of relying solely on Kayak's third-party listings, take the exact flight numbers and dates and plug them directly into the airline's website. This gives you live, real-time pricing and ensures your ticket is issued instantly. Now, the next what you can do is proceed to the payment page. Sometimes the initial click through page will display an intermediary higher rate, but proceeding all the way to the final submission page pulls the correct originally advertised fare from the database. You can also use the book direct feature. Just filter your Kayak search results to show only airlines. Third-party online travel agencies are notorious for bait and switch pricing or adding hidden fees. Booking directly through the carrier avoids these extra markups. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.